Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to November's Ipsy unboxing video. If you guys are unfamiliar with Ipsy Glam Bag, it is kind of like the OG beauty subscription service. This month I'm sharing with you the Glam Bag Original and the Glam Bag Plus. So I am an Ipsy ambassador and they sent these to me to share with you guys, but if this is something that you are curious to sign up for yourself, I will link the Ipsy website down below for you. This is such a cool way for you to get new products, maybe brands you've never heard of before, brands you've always wanted to try before. The original Glam Bag will be more deluxe size products, more like deluxe size samples, and the Glam Bag Plus is full size products. The original Glam Bag is $12 a month, and here's what the November bag looks like. I think this is so chic and very like fall. Like I could like wear this around as a clutch even with what I'm wearing right now. Like I just feel like it's so, I don't know, the colors are nice. So the first product actually didn't fit in the bag. It is right here. It is a brush. I love that you get a ton of brushes with this subscription service. I love brushes and this is such a cool way to try out like new types of brushes, new brands of brushes. So this one is by the brand A Perfect 10. And here's what it looks like. It's kind of a dome. I like brushes like this because they're multi-purpose. They're really good for bronzer, like a more precise bronzer or even a blush. Maybe a little bit too big for under eyes. Okay, inside this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their lip gloss. I really like the Anastasia lip glosses. This is in the color Moon Jelly and it's clear. So it's a clear glitter gloss. These have a nice scent to them. Yeah, it's like cake batter. It smells so good, and a clear gloss is always really nice to have. Next thing in here is from Tatcha, which is a very luxe skincare brand. This is their Deep Cleanse, and is this like a face wash, a face powder? Yeah, definitely a face wash. Has a nice scent to it too. It's the Deep Clean Face Wash. I've actually never tried this before. It says apply to wet skin, avoid eyes, and rinse for normal to oily skin. I love little teeny tiny face wash samples like this because not that I'm doing a ton of traveling right now, but when I do, I always like to take a little tiny face wash with me, so that's pretty fun. I have two more products in my glam bag. So the next one is looks like a mascara by the brand Ico London. This is their Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. This is kind of cool. I don't recall ever getting a mascara in like a squeezy tube like this. Cool packaging. Oh, nice wand. It has like an hourglass wand, but a very defined hourglass with like a big fat like bottom. You know what, I think, so I used to be subscribed to Ipsy like 6 or 7 years ago, and I recall getting Ico eyeliners maybe, but not their mascaras. So this is really cool. I just really like the packaging. Next thing in here is by Glow Recipe, another pretty high-end skincare brand, and this is their Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. I actually just got an eye cream by Glow Recipe. Yeah, I got their avocado retinol eye cream, not from Ipsy. Not from Ipsy, but they sent this to me in PR and I was really excited about it because I haven't tried a lot of Glow Recipe product. It doesn't really smell like banana, but I'm still kind of excited to try this. So this was pretty cool. I got lots of high-end. I mean, all of this is high-end. Okay, next let's dig into the Glam Bag Plus, which again has more full-size products. Okay, the first thing is humongous, and there's actually 3 products in here, so it's like a 3-in-1 type thing. And there's a little card in here that says, you're one of the first to try Farah's, F-A-R-A-H, Farah's first ever color launch, available as of October 16th. So these are liquid lip pigments. They're vegan, long-lasting, and cruelty-free. I've never heard of the brand Farah before. If you guys have, let me know. So these are the Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigments. These look like 3 really pretty colors. It looks like this one's in the color Farah, is that right? Oh yeah, okay. Farah, Cocoa, and Tiffany. They're packaged very well. They have like tape over each side. Cool packaging. I love the little crowns on there. They have like a rose. It's odd to have lip products smell like rose. I was fully expecting like vanilla or cake batter. Interesting that it smells like rose. This one is a beautiful red. These seem very thin, which is nice because then they don't feel cakey on the lips. So I'll be excited to try those on my lips. It looks like Tiffany is more of like a brown color, and then, oh, maybe Cocoa's more of a brown. These colors do seem very similar. Tiffany is more of like a pink nude, and cocoa is more of like a cocoa brown. That makes sense. So I'm pretty excited to try these out. Okay, next thing in my bag is a palette by Violet Voss. I have tried a few Violet Voss products before. I have a few of her bigger palettes, but I haven't tried them in probably like 3 or 4 years. So hopefully they're the same awesome quality as they were before. I like little miniature palettes. I don't know what it is about small palettes. I use them way more than my big ones. Oh, pretty colors. Here are the colors inside. It's very fall and it's very warm. Coral Pop is very coral. That might be a color I don't use. But the other 5 colors in the palette are so wearable and so pretty. Champagne I like. Silk is a nice neutral all over lid color. Teddy would be a good crease color. Looks like Cocoa Latte would be a good, this is really nice. I feel like this has got to be pretty expensive. I will link the retail value, or I'll put the retail value of all of these on the screen. This is by Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's sister brand, and this is their Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil. I love lip oils, and I've actually never tried anything from this Sugar Rush brand before, so it has like a honey scent to it. It's a little bit different. I love lip oils though, so that's really cool to get. Okay, next thing in my bag is another brush set by Farah. So that makes sense then, because these were Farah lipsticks and the card said that this is her first color product, or the brand's first color product, so maybe it was brushes before. So this is a little eye set by Farah. Like I said before, I love me some brushes. I love makeup brushes. So it looks like you got a big fluffy blender, one that's a little less fluffy, a more skinny blender brush. This one looks like an all over lid brush. This one's like an angled, oh, it tells you what they are. Fly wings, short shader brush, tapered blending brush, another tapered blending brush, and a large shading brush. So this is like a nice little brush set. And it's nice that they included that along with the eyeshadow palette, because you can use the two together. I see you, Ipsy. I get it. Okay, 2 more things in my Glam Bag Plus. So the first of the 2 is by the brand Tristique, I believe is how you say. I've had a couple of Tristique products before. They're good. They're good quality. This is their Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. So another mascara, although this one is definitely full size. Whoa. Whoa. This is the largest mascara. Oh, it's an eyelash curler too. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So it's an eyelash curler and a mascara all in one. That is a genius product, actually. I really like that. Cool. I'm already wearing mascara, so I'm obviously not gonna try this, but I kind of want to film a video like putting all these products on my face. If that's something you guys would be curious to see, let me know, because I think it'd be really cool. Like I can test out the eyeshadow palette and then this cool like little gadget thingy. Ooh yeah, let me know if you want to see that. But this has got to be the largest mascara I've ever seen. The wand is a lot smaller. I thought it was going to be like this massive wand, but it's not. It's definitely a lot smaller, but the bottle. This is really cool. Okay, Tristique, I've never seen anything like this before. This is cool. Okay, last thing in here is by Kate Somerville. It's the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I think this is just her moisturizer. I just finished this up. If this is, then I've used it before. Yeah, okay, I've used this before. I really like it. I actually just finished my jar of this up like yesterday. So this is a much smaller one though. I think this is not a full size. This might be like a miniature full size, because the full size one is a lot bigger and it has the kind of like airless pump that you push down on, which is really cool. But I really like this moisturizer. Yeah, smells the same. This is the same. So cool. I was gonna go buy another one. So this is really neat. This is, I think, an ounce, probably 1.7 ounces, so a decent size. This is cool that you got this for $25. I mean, this is a lot of stuff for $25. So yeah, that is what is in my regular Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Awesome value. I have to say, this is only the 2nd month I've gotten these, but these are really good quality, and it's just blowing me away, the products you're getting inside of these. So let me know if you guys want to see that tutorial. I'll probably film it next weekend. But let me know, because I would love to do that for you. And I hope that you enjoyed watching me unboxing these, and I will talk to you guys next time. Mwah! Bye!